Hi, I'm Zoe, and I'm here to answer all of your questions about the K18 hair mask so that you can get the most from your product. So, why do we detox? We detox because there are things like oil, product buildup, even metals and minerals found in hard water in your hair. And we want to allow the K18 peptide to penetrate the cleanest possible hair so that you get maximum damage repair benefits. Why do we skip conditioner? We skip conditioner similarly to why we detox. We don't want anything in the hair that will block the K18 peptide from penetrating. We want to allow the peptide to have the cleanest possible canvas for the best results. How much product should I use? This is really dependent on your hair length, type, texture, and damage level. We recommend starting with 1 to 3 pumps and building as needed, 1 to 2 being that average. We say this because K18 is highly effective. It's super concentrated, so less is more. Why does the K18 peptide have to sit for 4 minutes, and when can I apply additional products? Well, the K18 peptide needs to sit for 4 minutes because that's how long it takes to enter the innermost layers of your hair. And after that 4 minutes, that's when we can go ahead and add any sort of additional styling products that we would like to. When do I brush my hair? We recommend brushing your hair after that 4 minutes so that the K18 can go in and soften and detangle your hair. When will I see results? Most people see results in 2 to 3 uses. But with K18, the more damaged the hair, the more dramatic the results will be. The best thing about K18 is that it is truly a progressive product. So the more that you use it, the better the results will be, the healthier your hair will be.